Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Life. A brand new year is coming. Probably you are resetting your life or you are reorganizing your home. I thought it would be a perfect time to share with you few of my favorite kitchen products. These tools or products help me immensely to maintain an organized and clean kitchen throughout the year. I hope these tips and ideas will be helpful for you too. Let's start the video. Here's the first product I want to share with you all, this collapsible or foldable colander. It is a nice size colander. You can probably accommodate many veggies at once. After washing the veggies, just keep them on counter. I especially like these side holes which surely help the veggie to dry fast. It has a small stand at the bottom which helps to drain out the water easily. If you are like me who loves to wash vegetables first before storing them in the fridge, then you will like this colander. The best part is it's foldable, so you can accommodate them in a very small space. I store them in this cabinet near the kitchen sink. It doesn't take space like this big bulky colanders. I have bought it from Amazon. I will share the link in the description box as well. But if you have Hypercity near you, probably you can find it there too. In one of our previous kitchen organization video, you have seen this wireframe. Today I decided to give you a closer look and I will tell you how I am using it. It meant to be a memo organizer in office, but for me it is a perfect meal planner or organizer. I bought it from IKEA and totally love this product. Whenever I need to include a new recipe in our meal plan, I simply write it on a note and I just clip it here. Also, I have clipped Pihu's lunch and snacks ideas here so that I don't need to keep everything on my head and easily I can change the menu for her. Also, I have found a new way to organize this ready-made masala or food packets. As we don't eat them or use them often, I always forget to use them before their expiry. But now I have clipped them on this wireframe and it has completely solved the problem. Now everything I can see at a glance and use them as required. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this idea too. My another favorite tool is this Stepladder, which helps me immensely to clean all these upper kitchen cabinets or those decors which I have placed on the upper shelf and they are completely out of reach. It's lightweight, which means I can carry it easily, but if you are like 5 feet 2 inches or 5 feet 5 inches, then I will suggest go for 3 or 4 steps once. Also, it folds nicely, so doesn't take much space for storage. Next one is this faucet or tap extender. I'm using it to prevent water splash while I wash small utensils in the kitchen, as I have the utility door just right beside the kitchen sink. It is made out of silicone, so it can fit in any standard water tap. So far, so good. It has a controller so that if you want, you can control the water speed. I really like the functionality of this tap extender. Also, you can easily wash the walls of the sink because the pipe is very flexible. Also, it is small, handy, you can store it anywhere you want. Next one is this glove. I definitely have a love and hate relationship with cleaning gloves, but in winter I have only love relationships with them. I guess you know what I mean. I really like its extended sleeves. It's long enough to prevent water seepage. We can freely wash dishes without fearing if the water will go inside the glove and make our hands wet. Also, it has a nice texture for better grip. Only con as of now, I have found that this elastic has loosened up. I'm using it since 7 to 8 months now, and after 2-3 months this elastic lost its shape, but it's completely fine for me as it's not bothering me. Overall, it's a good kitchen tool if you are looking for a good quality kitchen gloves. After every use, just clip them together with the help of a binder clip and hang them right above the sink so that it will be handy whenever you need them in this winter. My second last favorite product is this chopper. It fits perfectly in this basket, which means, of course, better organization. Okay, let me give you one overview. It came with one container, one blade attachment, one motor, one lid, and one storage lid cover. This chopper is pretty awesome. Just for the demo purpose, I will show you how this chopper is efficient to chop this small carrot. Close the lid, plug it in, let's try cauliflower. Add these florets and press the head. It's kind of coarse grinded. You can use turbo switch to grind it finely. I absolutely love this chopper. If you are in need of a good chopper, you can try this one. Here comes the last organization products in this video, this glass jar sets with a rotating unit. If you have deep shelves, you can efficiently organize the space. Yes, it is on pricier side. Go for it only if you really need this. If you have small space, then it can surely help you with a neat or clean organization system. It has total 7 glass jars. 4 jars are 600 ml and 3 jars are 300 ml. I really like how functional it is with a rich and classy look. I will share all these product links in description box, so if you wish, you can check them there. You can make your kitchen organized and functional with the help of right tools as per your requirement. So assess your need first, then set up an organized kitchen. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with someone you care. And don't forget, you don't need, you don't buy. Subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.